our chief guest for this function, my children who have come to participate here. When you are elected, I will also be very, very brief because I don't want to take much of our time. I want to appreciate all the teams who arrived in Agago. With me, you are all the winning team because you have done the best in your district and you became first position. That is why you are here. So all of you, I know for sure you are all winning team. And I'm going to support all of you. I'm not going to support only the students from Agago. If you're participating well, yes, I will join you there. Because I have also my children in Sekurat. I have them also in YY. I have them in Bishop Fleet. So between all these schools, I have at least somebody there. So I want to appreciate your coming. I want only disciplined students. If you know you are indisciplined, please, I will not entertain that. You just be disciplined in the pen, do the needful, then you will win. Both Lunero, Luwara, Anoni Lunero Mukane, Yakin Mar Balutoho. Hi, Nani Bilka Balutoho, you want to take teaching to Mako, Papia Aramaki. Taking anything between the Balutoho. Kita ho la leng yan pa men ni mara yele makka keni gangi beto be gangi kunu ngata yele be ngo pe ya wa ko teni wen minyi be ma chela ke no ise ba be kai to ko le te ken lok mo be ngo pe nei to ka yo yan be ni pe ti mi male so ken be ti na pa lo to ani ni wa na ga lo maru to Rahma gago marukuch. Rahma gago chama kalara nyelo kino. Sigin mapere tek. Cheru yop jamaye awini dafti kalara chapara lara. Ka ana il balle chawa menero matere na ti chapara ye weke na daru kate kanyi na tiki chile tajane ngo. Nge. So mari kon kin machiku pere. Bukua wele pere gonya. I think there's nothing wrong. I will stay with you here until the end of the game. So if you have any problem, please come and contact us anytime. I will be there. I will now postpone going anywhere. And I will transfer all my luggage here. And I will spend all the day here. So stay calm, stay at home, stay peaceful. If you are not there, you are more to China. Until I look forward to my pitch, won't come deep. Tiki pare pasuma meki mano bariol tiki and a parade. Did maza. So money again ma watika win male. They are going to main one. So money kumuma want to get a paju. Ye ma pepe aralo RDC matalo well ma water. Where are you to sector malo lokom poigne kitugo kometikani. And Batwa, what do you can not take a yes. So a boy, Matek, near Ahmed Grace, and it is sector Maloilo Community, the Bakenyi. Demando, yeah.
Hi, folks. On my right hand side is a subscribe button. Please hit it and subscribe. Then on the left hand side down is the latest videos, and then up is a video recommended for you. Please thank you for watching this channel. Down on the link there is the website www.wofocus.site.